I'm going to make this video super short, simple, fun and helpful. So make sure you watch till the end. Enjoy. Hi, I'm a 15-year-old boy with many interests, but one of my biggest strengths is my physique. And today, I'm going to show you how I actually got this physique so you can do it too, with just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Know where to focus on. There are many things, but in this video, we'll just focus on few things that matters the most on building a V-taper physique. Let's start. You need to focus on 3 things: your shoulders, your lats, and overall low body fat. To train your shoulders, you can do Pike push-ups or handstand push-ups. And for your lats, you can do pull-ups. And for maintaining overall low body fat, just consume less calories. That's it. Step 3. Meditate. Building a good physique takes time, and the only way is to be patient. Just focus on your input, focus on what you can control, and let time and your faith decide your outcome. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe the channel for more such inspirational content. I'll see you in the next video.